At Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment, we offer professional drain repair services in Los Gatos, California 95030. Our skilled technicians are equipped to handle a wide range of drain issues, from clogs and slow drainage to pipe damage and leaks. Using advanced diagnostic tools, we quickly identify the root cause of your drain problems and provide efficient, long-lasting repairs. Whether it's a minor blockage or a more extensive repair, we ensure that your plumbing system runs smoothly. For reliable and prompt drain repair in Los Gatos, California 95030, choose Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment for expert solutions. Contact us today, Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment, to learn more about our services. Are you looking for a drain repair near me? You can stop looking. You found Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment. What are the signs that I need drain repair in Los Gatos, California 95030? Common signs include slow draining water, persistent clogs, foul odors coming from your drains, water backing up into sinks or tubs, and gurgling noises. These could indicate blockages, pipe damage, or root intrusion. How do you diagnose drain problems in Los Gatos, California 95030? We use advanced diagnostic tools such as video camera inspections to locate and identify the exact cause of the drain problem. This allows us to provide an accurate solution without unnecessary digging. What is your drain repair in Los Gatos, California? Our local drain repair service office have served the areas of Los Gatos, Capitola, Los Angeles, Rubidoux, Grand Terrace, Pedley, Bloomington, Glen Avon, Colton, Mira Loma, Loma Linda, Fontana, Rialto, Moreno Valley, San Bernardino, Norco, California. Where is your Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment office? We are located at 820 Bay Avenue, Suite 221, Capitola, California 95010, United States. Our phone number is 831-744-7215. Visit our website, https://santacruzplumbingrepair.com/Capitola Plumbing Draining Water Heater Repair/